Do you want to know how you can log into your century.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Century AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to the Google search bar and then search for Century AI login. Click on the first link, which is the official page of Century Tech Login. After you click on it, this login portal will open up. What you need to do is write down your username or email address here and then write down the password associated with your account. After you write down the username and password, go ahead and click sign in. This way you can sign in to Century. Now you can sign in with Google and Office 36 as well. So go ahead and sign in with Google or Office 36 if you want. So this was a video on how you can log into your Century AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Till then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.